Welcome to the Adobe Animate tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to start a new animation and give you a quick tour of the program. Let's begin. When you first load Adobe Animate, you will be presented with this splash screen. To start a new animation, select ActionScript 3.0, as this option allows you to use all of the features in Adobe Animate. Once you have started your new animation, you should switch your layout to Classic View, as this is the view I will be demonstrating on. Feel free to try other views, but I prefer this one. So, what do we have on screen? On the left there is a toolbar. This is where all the selection, drawing and animation tools can be found. On the right of the screen is the Properties panel. This changes depending on what tool is selected and provides options for each tool. At the top of the screen is the timeline. This is where you will control the duration and timings of your animation. Finally, in the center of the screen is the stage. What is on the white part of the screen will be visible, and what is in the grey parts of the screen will not be visible during your animation. Think of the grey area as the wings of a stage in a theatre. Things take place there, but you don't necessarily see them. Finally, it is good practice to save all animations before you start making them, just in case your program crashes. For this example, call your file Border. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.